Ano naman sinasabi natin, ano? There's an allegation about the 777 na based dun sa aming pagtatanong din at based dun sa aming mga very reliable na sources, talagang totoo naman na meron talagang every time na sumama ka sa sortie ni Speaker, every congressman gets 777, 7 million na AIX or AKAP, 7 million na MAIP, and 7 million na TUPAD. So that's about 21 million. Kung nakaapat ka ba naman na sortie, 21 times 4. When in fact, dapat itong mga pondo na to, ang nag-administer nito, nagbibigay nito are the appropriate, let us say for AIX or AKAP, dapat yan, social welfare. Yung MAIP, DOH yan. Tapos yung TUPAD, DOLE. Tapos dapat coordinated to sa local government because if there's anyone who really understands what is happening on the ground, these are the local government units.